This video will show you how to use your Excel sheet. So following along in our step-by-step instructions, step 1 states that you would enter the name of the product under the first column in the name of product. A blue block appears when you can enter a name. For example, we'll type example. The next section is the cost of the main component. Throughout this, you can enter the exact cost of the main component and then the cost of materials. So first we'll enter the cost of the main component, which is shown here. Let's say it's $2. Next we'll enter the cost of materials. Let's say it's $3. And then the total cost of the product automatically updates, adding these two together. Next we'll enter the sales price. So for example, let's say $50. And then this automatically gives us a profit by taking this sales price minus the total cost of the product. And it also gives us a profit margin. So whenever you're looking to add another product to your list, you simply name the product, enter your cost of materials, your total cost of the product, your sales price, and your profit is automatically calculated for you. On our next tab, we have a labor tab. This is to give you a better understanding of how much you are spending on your hours that you spend on your products. So this gives you a way to track how much you are earning per hour. So for example, let's say you work 4 hours on the wine glass tab, which is already updated throughout here. Once we update this to 4 hours, we get a new number of 6.47 earnings per hour. Hopefully this will give you some more insight into your product offering and allow you to be able to track exactly what it is you want to offer your customers, as well as be able to see your most profitable actions.